How's it going, guys? This is Russ with Joe's Gaming Electronics, here with another highly requested video. Today I will be showing you guys how to repair the left speaker on a Bose Soundsport wireless. So, first of all, go ahead and grab the side that's opposite of the control talk. It's further away from it. Go ahead and get some heat from your heat gun. Apply some heat around it. Doesn't get too hot, but enough to just pull the speaker right off. So that should be plenty. Go ahead and just apply a little bit of force. The speaker should be pulled off at this point. Next, you will need to do is just get some alligator clips and have it hold it for you so you do not burn your hands while soldering. Get your solder gun. I like to use some tweezers to hold the wires for me. Speaker should be unsoldered. Go ahead and grab your replacement speaker. So, see that line? You gotta be opposite of the line. So, go ahead and put it back on there. The red wire will go to the right side. Blue wire should be on the left side. Should be good. Go ahead and place it into the cracks to see if it fits nicely. So at this point, go ahead and remove all the excess glue that you have in the housing. And also on the speaker, there will be some glue as well. That should be good with removing the excess glue. Go ahead and place it on. You will twist the actual speaker itself, and it should line up right with the hole that it has engraved for it. So if it's nice and good, go ahead and get some B7000. Work your way around. Don't add too thick of a layer, just enough to have the speaker glued down. And go ahead and apply the speaker again. Now get your rubber band, go around probably 3 times. And this should hold the speaker. Let it cure to 2 to 3 hours, and the speaker should be good and the unit should be backing up and working again. And that is how you repair the left speaker on a Bose Soundsport wireless. Thanks for watching.